OMG. Oh my God! Kung nagandahan kayo dun sa sapot ni Rick ay mas maengganyo pa kayo sa susunod nating pupuntahan dahil mga 10 minutes away lang naman yung tagpuan ni Nanay.
Hello, I am Ann Dumaliang, Managing Trustee of the Masungi Georeserve. The conservation efforts in Masungi started in the 1990s. It was led by my dad who had a project here during that time. And for the last 25 years have devoted a lot of his time to making sure that the place is restored from a barren landscape that it was before to what it is that we see here today.
Tara guys, suot na. Ganun pala yan. Ha! Echo! Echo! Ha!
Isa rin sa mga key features ng Masungi ay tahanan ito ng maraming species ng flora at fauna. Ang iba pa sa mga ito ay dito lamang sa Masungi matatagpuan. Woo! Woo!
Okay guys, andito na tayo sa tagpuan ni Nanay or also known as Kwago. Kuya Romeo, bakit nga ba Kwago yung tawag sa lugar na to or tagpuan ni Nanay?
Ito po kahit po tinawag ng Kwago dahil nung habang ginagawa po yung trail dito po namin sila malimit nakikita. At may dalawang uri dito ng Kwago, isang iskapaw at isang igilaw.
Sige, itry ko nga. Napaka-Instagrammable naman ito. Ayan. Ha! Ayan. Ang ganda! At sa ilang hours ng trek natin, I think deserve nating magtubig. Kaya stay hydrated guys. At huwag din kalimutan na pag kayo ay kumakain, leave no trace behind because we are responsible tourists.
Here in Masungi, the dry season runs from November to April, while the wet season is from May to October. January naman is often the coolest month while May is often the hottest. So choose your booking date wisely.
Nasa kabilang bundok na tayo. Talaga ba?
Kung mapagod ay pwedeng magpahinga. May mga areas sa trail na designated para tambayan.
Let's go.
2015, 2016, that was when we created the Masungi Georeserve. And we did that with the intent of creating an experience that will allow people to love the place the way we learned to love it as we were growing up together with it.
Kuya Romeo, pag nagbubook po yung by group na trekking, ilan po yung maximum?
Ang maximum po ay 14, ang minimum po ay 7. Daan natin papunta sa Bayawak, lubid po yung bababaan natin. Kaya po tinawag siya ng Bayawak kapag kadesan niya, nugis kami ng Bayawak. At pagkatapos ng merienda, ay yun ang po yung exit na tinatawag namin ng hanging bridge na sawa.
Hanging bridge na sawa.
Yan, patalikod lang po yung pagbaba natin dito.
OMG.
Totoo ngang save the best for last dahil di ko in-expect kung gaano kataas at ka-extreme ang final boss. Este, final route natin na Bayawak.
Wait lang. Oh my God. Kasi medyo may fear of heights ako. Konti lang naman. Pero kinabahan ako sa mga gamit ko. Wow. Grabe. Slowly but surely. Oh my. Kasi yung sapatos dumidikit siya dito.
Pag tinatanggal mo siya, mahirap siya tanggalin minsan.
Oh my God. Isa-isa lang ba to? I survived. Thank you, Lord. Kuya Romeo, grabe ang hirap nun ah. Yun na ata yung pinakahirap na ginawa natin today, no? Pero yes, I will definitely climb it again and because it's a challenge. Okay, sobrang lapit na natin sa snacks. Tara, quiz, tara.
Thank you po.
Kasi
Dito na po
gutom
tayo
na
para
ako.
makapagmerenda kayo.
Ah, dun. So kung pupunta kayo sa Masungi Georeserve, i-expect nyo na may masarap na snacks at the end of the trail. So, there is always light at the end of the trail. Tara, kain tayo.
We want a fully rewilded Masungi landscape that is free from all of these threats of its existence. We hope that it is a landscape that will survive past our lifetimes and one that will inspire other people protecting other landscapes.
Sa pag-iikot namin sa Masungi ay na-realize ko na hindi lang ito ang tahanan ng iba't ibang species at magagandang rock formations. Higit sa lahat ay malaki ang papel nito sa disaster resilience at ang pagbalance ng ecosystem ng bansa. The Masungi Georeserve is a good example of how nature protects us, and that's why it's important that we protect it back.
Hi, Gazini. Did you enjoy it?
Okay naman.
Oh yeah,
The last one was a killer. But
because of the height.
yes,
right?
but like the merienda was so good. Like the banana saba and everything. It's like the icing of the cake.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's how we bait people sometimes into going on and continuing
The
on.
merienda.
Yeah, the merienda at the end
You
of the
have free
trail.
merienda.
Yeah.
And, so, what are your tips for everyone who wants to hike or travel as a beginner?
What I advocate for when it comes to visiting places and locations would be on and choose destinations that actually care about destination stewardship, meaning places that actually showcase the geographical character of the place and causes people to love or understand why that place is worth protecting. So normally these are also locations that would care a lot around the impact that they have on the community surrounding the trail or the activity that they run.
Right.
And then they would also be wary or careful around carrying capacities. So a lot less on mass tourism, but more on low value, high impact approaches or experiences. Parang you don't stress the landscape for the sake of profiting out of it. If you want to push it a bit more,
Yes.
then tangkilikin yung mga destinations that put in a lot of work when it comes to regenerative tourism. Basically, like in Masungi, parang widen pa what is restored in a certain place.
And that's it. It's a wrap. Thank you so much. Anything else more to add?
Yeah, we invite all of you to please come over and see the place, understand why we put in so much effort in protecting it and keeping it alive. You're all welcome here to have your own relationship with the area, and hopefully that could help you as well come to an understanding what your role is when it comes to protecting our heritage and pursuing sustainability in our country.
Guys, I made it. I feel like I deserve another crown. Guys, thank you so much for being with me. And I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. And I hope matry nyo to discover the Masungi Trail because it is very educational and very informative. Thank you for watching, and until the next episode of Straight from the Experts, ingat! Bye!